No way. I'm going back to work, dude.
The sky's purple?
Yeah, and I had a dream where I was making out with a hot girl. It was awesome. Gotta figure out how to steal that stuff. The stuff that they did to me.
Oh, the drugs?
Dude, I'm telling you, it is the best. If these are what drugs are like, we gotta get some. When I can eat, I'm getting the #1 combo from McDonald's, the large fry, the large Coke. They put these like tampons in my mouth.
They put tampons in your mouth?
Like 4 of them. Look.
Oh, you're here.
Yeah, what up, dude?
What up? The nurses were very hot.
Wait, so you said you had a dream with a hot girl?
Yeah, I was making out with a hot girl. In my dream. I got these like tampons in my mouth.
Tampons in your mouth?
Like 4 of them.
You want a drink, Ryan?
Yeah. A Bud Light.
A Bud Light? You want to drink a Bud Light?
Oh yeah.
Have you ever had one of those before?
Every day.
Every day?
Yeah, it's like I was flying. I was literally floating. Like when she first picked me up, I was really floating. Literally.
How high off the ground?
Like this much. I was floating.
Like that much off the ground?
Yeah. She could barely hold on to me. I was going to fly out of the roof.
You about to fly up the roof?
Check me out.
Are you flying?
Yeah.
How high off the ground?
12 feet. The whole couch is in the air.
Really?
Yeah. Why is the walls moving? I think I could sleep for like a million years. So, you thought I was asleep. Hold on, I'm gonna try and do backflip.
He's gonna try to do a backflip.
Yeah.
Okay, see you later.
So,
I'll be by at 4:30.
dude, did you guys see that? Did you see that? I just did a backflip with the couch. Whoa. Didn't know what that was. Oh, I can't even feel it. Oh, okay.
He was missing.
What's good, bro? Yeah, man, pull up. I'ma text you the address. We're chillin'. It's just a little kickback. Chillin' out, maxin', relaxin'. Summertime weather, fantastic. Kickback. I'ma crack another cold one. Barbecue chicken almost done. Kickback. Ayy, all the shorties came through and my friends came too. It's a vibe at the kickback. Yeah, and we live from the kickback. What's up? What's up? They making fun of me. They say that I don't season my chicken. That ain't true though, cause I put the salt and pepper up in it. Not for real, I just cover it in Sweet Baby Ray's. If anybody got suggestions, you can send them my way, cause I've been cooking. And I got my friends with me. Sometimes you need a little kickback remedy. And what you know about this starting 6 on the aux cord? Man, somebody gotta tell them that they need another tour ASAP. Where my real dad's at? We're the ones with the flip-flops, popping bottle caps, what's up? I'm always talking about the past, but I'm looking at the...
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Holy crap!
Address, we chillin'. It's just a little kickback. Chillin' out, maxin', relaxin'. Summertime weather, fantastic. Kickback. I'ma crack another cold one. Barbecue chicken almost done.
Hey, we'll go out, dude! Alright, watch out! Oh my... Ryan, what are you doing?